Oh, good morning. Hold on. That is much better. As I was saying, Miss Angie, how are things here at Camp Woohoo since my last inspection? No real mold like last time, of course. That would be another violation. A little infractions humor.
Now, wait just a minute there, pal. That was not humor. This is humor.
My citations book!
It's just a stray bird. I'll have it removed immediately.
I like you, Miss Angie. But as we say in the business, your camp is falling apart. I don't want you to lose your license, so I'm here to make sure you have a chance to fix everything up to code. Remember, without rules, we're just animals. Maybe I'll grab a quick spritz at the water fountain.
Woody, you can't mess with the inspection.
These repairs will take time and money.
What do you want me to do? Not focus on every little thing that could be an infraction?
Yes, I would love that.
I take my inspector oath very seriously. Oh, jeepin' flavor! I just got the car wash. Keep that woodpecker under control. Yumpin' Yiminy, inside too? There is no ticket big enough to capture the horror I am witnessing with my two tusks.
Wally, please, I just need more time.
I am sorry, Miss Angie, but your time is up. I have no choice but to shut this camp down. Excuse me, please move.
This is a travesty, a farce, a third thing.
Will you shoot?
Oh,
This camp is a disgrace to see. Obadiah gave Hoorah its land too, and they've never gotten one single infraction.
Jeez. Angie, we heard the commotion. What happened?
Then it's official. Camp Woohoo is now shut.
Woody?
What whole darn what thing?
Of our forefathers. This historic contest is the ultimate measure of camposity. So, let it be the great decider.
The little lady has a point. But to ensure no improprieties, there needs to be a completely impartial judge.
A handsome judge. A wise judge. A judge with a super rad mustache. You! I'm talking about you!
Oh! The Wilderness Games will go on as planned. Woohoo's last stand.
This is going to be...
Hello, Cat Woohoo and Cat Hoorah! Welcome to the 117th Wilderness Games! Oh!
Thanks for wearing short shorts.
Will be worth 1 point, with the final event, Capture the Flag, being worth 2 points. There's the
Camp win.
Okie dokie. Let the games begin. Hoot! Hoorah! Ew. One minute, 55 seconds. Are you ready, Boo? 1 minute, 52 seconds? Point Boo! For Camp Hoorah, a new Ride the Boar record! Point Woohoo! Point Woohoo!
Kaboom!
And eat! Forfeit! Hoorah, win! What do you say we just called this event for Woohoo? Capture the Flag, the final event of these unexpectedly exciting wilderness games. Placing of the flags, both teams will try to capture the other team's flag. We know. All right. Thank you. Oh, I have officially placed the Hoorah flag on its designated home base. We will do the same at Woohoo's base, then let the flag capturing begin.
Sorry, do you want to take a few minutes to decide what you want to do?
Okie dokie. Hoorahs will go back to their fortress. I will then blow my whistle to signify the start. 3, 2, 1, begin!
This isn't in the playbook. There you are!
We can buy Woody some time.
But now there's no woohoo. You lost the games and the goal.
He's right. I'm sorry, but rules are rules. A generous donation to the Parks and Recreation.
Not gonna happen.
Not in your life.
No?
Nope.